Welcome back to episode 17 of EBC's Ultimate Fiesta build. As some of you are aware, these cars are too easy to steal. So that is exactly why we've come down to Pandora today to see what they can do for us. So in a minute, we're going to take the car in the bay and speak to Matt, and he's going to let us know what he can do for us. So let's get the car in.
We're losing light.
Hey guys, it's Matt here from Pandora HQ. EBC Brakes have just dropped off the Ultimate Fiesta build that today is getting the Pandora protection with the Light Pro V2, Navex upgrade, and obviously remote engine start. This is going to be up for grabs on dream car giveaways, and all the proceedings are going to charity, so definitely check that out. We'll show you what we can of the install, but for security reasons, we can't give away all our secrets. But we'll take you through the day, show you the team, and yeah, we'll see what the system can do. So we told you we are going to be installing the Light Pro V2 with the Navex system, and I have both of these here with me now. Now, the Light Pro V2 is an alarm and immobilizer unit. This offers not only immobilization, but an array of sensors, including a dual shock, motion tilt, and also internal sensor to protect your vehicle in different circumstances. We can also use anti-hijack to keep you and the car safe in an unfortunate carjacking scenario, as well as giving you full Bluetooth control of your vehicle, including sensor adjustment, service mode, status information, and more. Now, as you can see, this unit is tiny. And again, with the Navex, the tracking upgrade, including real-time phone notifications, including calls and texts, worldwide tracking, and even worldwide phone control. This is a whole security package that does everything Pandora can offer. This even allows you to activate the anti-hijack and immobilize your vehicle anywhere in the world straight from your mobile phone, even when the car is in motion. Now, this alarm brain includes an accelerometer. This means the car will stop at a safe speed, roughly 15 or so miles per hour, and the car will stop just as if you're running out of fuel. Now, the systems obviously are upgradable. Now, this includes hands-free arming and disarming. This includes the CAN bus firmware, the Bluetooth, all the sensors, everything is built straight into this tiny alarm brain. And realistically, Pandora is a market leader in this technology. You will not find a smaller or more compact or more technologically advanced alarm brain than this in my hands right now for the level of system that this is. Now, the Light Pro V2 can be used in a few different ways. Now, this is a Pandora tag. By keeping this on your person, in a wallet or on a lanyard, the car will disarm and arm automatically through your factory key. But you also get a long-range remote. Now, this is a LoRa-capable remote that works up to a mile away. This gives you notifications, control, and it's pretty cool. And this means you can have this in your pocket or on your keys, and if the alarm is triggered, it will tell you when and exactly why. It will say the shock sensor was triggered and the alarm's going off, or the warning sensor was triggered that some person may be around your vehicle and it could be at risk. You can also change settings from here, again, up to a mile away. And due to the LoRa technology it uses, even if you're in a city centre with buildings nearby, you'll still get good connection to your vehicle. Now, the Pandora system uses 128-bit encryption. This means any command sent from the tag, the long-range remote, or your mobile phone app are perfectly secure. The signal from this isn't relay boostable. They can't clone it and boost it back to your vehicle or copy the code from here.
Black skies glowing.
So not only did we install remote start to this ST, we've even added a turbo timer. This means that the engine will remain running for about 2 minutes to protect the engine and keep it in good condition. But I want to ask now, can your car do this? I can remote start this car up to a mile away from this long range remote. And as you can see, I can turn it off too. Or I can use my mobile phone anywhere in the world to start this engine while the car is locked and the system is armed. I could even set the remote start at 7 AM on a Monday morning or 4 PM on a Thursday afternoon, because the remote start is entirely programmable. Or alternatively, you can set it to remote start based on battery voltage. So if you don't use the car too much and it's sat in the garage on the weekend, it will essentially trickle charge and keep the battery in good health. Now that's this ST done. Now we really can't go through every detail and every feature this Pandora offers. However, if you do want to check them out and find out more, check out our YouTube channel or our website at www.pandoracarAlarms.co.uk. Now we're going to hand you over to the guys for a safe journey home, but it's been great having the ultimate Fiesta build in. And again, if you want a chance to win this, it'll be available on Dream Car Giveaways. Cheers.
Right, so that's it for episode 17 of EBC's Ultimate Fiesta build. A massive thank you to everyone here at Pandora for all of the work they've done today. It has been a very long day. So we will see you in episode 18 where we've got loads more planned for this little car. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget that you can win this car at Dream Car Giveaways for only £1.50.